Overgrown or untrimmed plants can totally mess up your yard's vibe and even cause problems like pests or blocked views. So, first off, keep a regular pruning schedule maybe every few weeks or at least each season so nothing gets out of hand. Use the right trimming tools, like sharp shears or electric trimmers, because dull tools can hurt plants and make your job way harder. When you prune, focus on cutting back dead or crowded branches to help the plant breathe and look fresh. Don't just hack randomly. Try to follow the natural shape of the plant so it grows healthy. Also, clean your tools after each use to avoid spreading diseases between plants. If you're not sure when to trim certain plants, look them up online or ask a local nursery. They know their stuff. Mulching around your plants can help keep roots cool and moist, which is clutch during hot months. Finally, keep an eye on any rapid growth after rain or fertilizer and trim accordingly to avoid that wild jungle look. One of the biggest mistakes with overgrown plants is waiting too long to prune, which makes trimming way tougher and can stress your plants. Fix this by setting reminders for seasonal maintenance. Another common issue is using dull or wrong tools that tear instead of cut cleanly, causing plant damage and slower healing. Make sure to invest in good quality shears and sharpen them regularly. Lastly, many folks don't remove diseased or dead branches, which can spread problems to healthy parts. Always cut those out and dispose of them properly to keep your garden thriving. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about yard work and more. Contractors also benefit because it helps them find steady gigs without all the hassle of hunting down clients.